You don't recognize me. My name's Sarah. We were friends. The doctor said you'd have some memory loss, but it will come back.
Hey, my man! It's great to see you're all healed up. It's me, Carter, your ace, your wingman. Remember?
There's some place we need to go. Can you still drive? There's somewhere that I need to take you. I'm gonna let you drive my car so you can get used to being behind the wheel. This is Carter. He's gonna race us, so it'll be a challenge.
Hey, homie. Good to see you back in action. I'm sorry about the accident. Hope this little race will take your mind off your worries. Don't worry. I'll go easy on you. Well, this time. Let's roll.
He was your brother. The same accident that killed him put you in the hospital. I guess that makes you lucky. Not so lucky for me. He was my boyfriend. He was a really great driver. No one knows what happened. One minute the two of you were like neck and neck for the win, and then it was over.
I was taking pictures from the sidelines, but all I got was this.
I've searched for that third car ever since, but no one's seen it. Nobody knows who it was. I guess we'll just have to live with that.
Come on, homie. Let's take your mind off all this heavy stuff. Let's go for a ride.
Oh yeah, we got this one. Listen up. Every driver has a class. My class is Brawler. Trigger my move and I'll lay the smackdown on a rival race car. If I hit a car hard enough, he'll be disabled for a while so you can race ahead. For this race, I'll be your only wingman. My sight. And we got a good body shot. Go, boss. How trouble back here. I'm ready to go.
My class is drafter, so when you trigger my move, I'll pull in front and you drive behind me. I'm on it. What are you... afraid of? Get in the draft. Come on, let's draft. Let's jump on it.
Now you're gonna race with Kita. She's an assassin. Just tap the button to trigger her special move and watch her lay a spike strip that blows the tires off any cars that go over it. Watch out, man. She don't play favorites. If you hit the strip, you blow your tires too.
Watch out! I'm taking him out. Watch out for the spike strip, alright? Bombs away.
the race map. This shows you the whole city. Each color on the map represents a crew that controls that piece of turf. The Lucky Sevens lost all their turf when Mick was killed. The other crews just swooped in and took over.
You want to find out who killed your brother? Straight up, man. You need to start winning races. Otherwise, nobody will give you the time of day. You need to form your own crew and challenge these fools for control of their turf.
I can't help you go ahead with this. Losing Mick was too much. I'm sorry. My car is off limits. You've lost that privilege.
Don't even worry about her. We'll get you set up with your own car, and you can pick a name for your own crew. Let's get started. You're in the crew house. This is where you can customize your cars, change up your crew, and either jump into the city and explore, or go to the map and start advance directly from there.